Is your Android phone acting up? Android 16 Beta 4 just broke lock screen shortcuts on some devices, and it's causing chaos. Wanna know what's going on? Let's dive in. What's good, everyone? Welcome back to GadInsider. Today we're talking about a messy bug in Android 16 Beta 4 that's messing with lock screen shortcuts. Dropped in April 2025, this update accidentally removed the long press feature for some users, and it's sparking complaints. Let's break it down. Since Android 14, lock screen shortcuts like camera and flashlight used a long press to activate, showing a touch and hold animation to prevent accidental triggers. This was clutch to avoid stuff like your flashlight blasting in your pocket, which can overheat your phone, but Android 16 Beta 4 switched to single tap activation on some devices, making it way too easy to accidentally open apps. Sources found this bug in only 2 out of 6 tested devices, so it's a software glitch, not a feature. X-users are annoyed, saying it's disruptive and risky. Why is this a big deal? Single tap shortcuts mean your phone could turn on the flashlight or camera without you knowing, draining battery or snapping random pictures. It's especially bad for Pixel 9 or Galaxy S25 users testing the beta, as overheat from a stuck flashlight is a real concern. Most devices still need a long press, so this bug isn't consistent, which makes it even more frustrating. Sources note Google's betas often have quirks, but this one's got users heated, with some on X calling it a step backward. Google's likely scrambling to fix this before Android 16's stable release, expected later in 2025. Beta 4 is a test build, so bugs like this aren't shocking, but they need to nail lock screen reliability. For now, if you're hit by this bug, try rebooting or checking for a hotfix in Settings, going to System, and clicking on System Update. Many users say Google's aware of the issue and a patch could drop in Beta 5. If you're not on the beta, you're safe. This only affects testers. This bug's a reminder. Beta software can be a roller coaster. If you're a beta tester, you're helping Google iron out kinks, but you might hit snags like this. For everyone else, it's a heads up to keep your phone updated for security and stability. Android 16 is bringing out cool stuff like better AI and multitasking, so these bugs are just bumps on the road. Stay vigilant, and let's keep our devices locked down tight.